Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're going to do the forward bay parking easiest way, which is very simple way to do it. Examiner will ask you take to the car park and they will ask you, I would like you to carry on the maneuver called forward bay parking. I would like to park the car inside the bay, all four wheels. They give you choice left or right. Sometimes they only ask you to go right. So what we need to do, we're going to be parking on the right side of the road now. Best thing is do not cross the center line. Stay in your side of the road, starting closer to the left hand side. So before we move, all the around observation, and then we start with the reference point. So reference point would be this wing mirror. So what we need to do, wing mirror should be in this 50% of the box you're going into. Once it's there, observe the road one more time all the way around. Start turning. I'm just gonna wait for this car. So let's quick look again one more time, and that's the box ending up. Start turning the wheel slowly. Now let's cup the window down. So best thing is what you need to do is put your head out the window, start looking at this line there, top line of the bay. This line will tell you if your car is getting straighter or not. So if you see the lines are straight, you stop the car, take the turn out, do a quick observation one more time, and then your reference would be this wing mirror, frame of the wing mirror. When the frame of the wing mirrors touch the center line, if you see the line cross going on the sideways, when you touch there, you can just put your handbrake up, take the gear out, and you have done the parking there. So if you're allowed to open the door to have a look. So if I look there, it's a nice gap on this side. If I look on the mirror on that side, if I put my mirror a little bit down to see, so I can see the gap on in the base. So it's about 8-9 inches gap there, which is a perfect parking. So that's the easiest way to do the parking when you do the forward bay parking. Start with your side of the road, not too close to the center line. Put your wing mirror half of the box you're going into. Do your observation, quick look, start turning, and you end up in the box. Make sure you got the window down so you can have a good look.